Hi guys! Today, we're going to play a fun game with Miss Julita. This game is called Rainbow Bowling. The students roll multiple colored balls into the goal. This game has a lot of benefits. The students learn colors. This also helps train focus. The students also gain problem-solving skills. And finally, they learn how to share with friends. Rainbow Kids has these activities every 2 weeks. We hope the students have fun during these activities. Rainbow Kids believes in the joy in learning to have fun while learning. Thanks for watching. See you later.